Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to create your privacy card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To create a free virtual credit or debit card for securing your online payments and free trials using Privacy.com, follow these steps. First, go to the Privacy.com website. You can find it easily by searching for Privacy.com on Google or any other browser you prefer. Once on the site, look for the Sign Up button located in the top right corner and click on it. This service is ideal for protecting your payment information, especially when you don't want to provide your actual debit or credit card details to unfamiliar or untrusted websites. With Privacy, you can generate virtual cards that help keep your free trials genuinely free and your financial information secure. To start, enter your email address and password to create an account. After entering this information, confirm your email address through the verification link sent to your email and complete the authorization process. Once your account is created, you'll be taken to your dashboard. From here, you can create your first Privacy virtual card. To do this, click on the New Card button on the left side of the dashboard. Then, select the type of service you need the card for, such as digital services or gaming applications. For example, if you want to use the card for Discord, simply select it from the list and click Create My Privacy Card. The next step is to complete your profile. Click on the Profile section and specify whether you are using the account as an individual or for a business. Fill in your personal details as required. If you are a US resident, you will need to provide your Social Security number SSN for verification purposes. This step is crucial, and if you are not a US resident, the service may not be available to you. After verifying your profile, connect a funding source. This can be your bank account or an existing debit or credit card. Agree to the terms and conditions, and you're ready to make your first purchase using your virtual card. One of the great features of Privacy.com is that once you've used the virtual card for a free trial or any other purchase, you can easily cancel the card. To do this, go to the Card Management section and delete the card by clicking on the Deletion button. This feature ensures that you don't incur unwanted charges after the trial period ends. So that's basically how to create your privacy card. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.